In this video, we will be dealing with the construction of a 32-hour unit hydrograph from an 8-hour unit hydrograph. So in this problem, the data given in the red color that is given in the question, that is the ordinates of an 8-hour unit hydrograph, and we have to construct a 32-hour unit hydrograph from it. That is very simple, and we have discussed similar problems earlier in different videos. And here there is only one difference that we will see when we do the problem. So first, what we do is we need to construct a 32-hour unit hydrograph from 8 hours. That means 8 into 4 is equal to 32. So we have to superimpose 4 curves. That means we have one curve that is already given, and we will have to lag the curve 3 times, and total 4. That is 3 plus 1. 1 is given, and 3 is the number of lagging. So lag the curve 3 times plus all the already given curve will give you the 32-hour summation hydrograph, and divided by 4 centimeter will give you the 32-hour unit hydrograph. So let's start. That is, first we have the 8-hour unit hydrograph is given. So first lag the curve by 8 hours. That means you can only lag the curve by the duration of the unit hydrograph given. You cannot lag it by, see here the duration of unit hydrograph is 8 hours, but the data intervals is given as 4 hours. That means we have the data for every 4 hours, but we can lag the hydrograph only from 0, then from 8, then from 16. That means the multiple of 8, that is the multiple of the duration of the unit hydrograph given. You cannot lag, or you need not lag the curve from 4 hours. That is not the duration of the unit hydrograph, and that will make the process tedious. Therefore, lag the 8-hour unit hydrograph by 8 hours. That means you have to skip 2 rows and write the same data here starting from 8. That is the first lagged by 8-hour curve. Then second, lag the curve by 16 hours. That is next multiple of this 8. That is, start the same data from 16 and continue downwards. So after each lagging, 2 data intervals will be added up. That is 92, 96, 100 and 104 when second lagging finishes. Then after that, lag the curve by 24 hours. That's the third lagging. So okay, after just a minor mistake, after the second lagging, okay, next we have to do the third lagging, that is lag the curve by 24 hours. That is, start the data from 24, write it simply downwards in each row and continue up to this 0. So then 2 more additional data time will be added, that is 108 and 112. Now we have 3 curves, that is 1, 2 and 3. So 32-hour summation hydrograph will be given by adding up the data from second column, third column, fourth column and fifth column. That means 32-hour summation hydrograph will be obtained by adding second column plus third column plus fourth column plus fifth column equal to sixth column. So that is, this 0 will be obtained from here. Now let us see this line. 240 plus 82 plus 26.5 plus 5.5 will give you 354. Similarly, 9.5 plus 22 plus 42 plus 79 will give you 152.5. That means add the values horizontally and obtain the 32-hour summation hydrograph. And now the 32-hour unit hydrograph will be obtained by, this is a column number 6 divided by 4. That means the runoff depth of each of the unit hydrographs is 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is, each of this will be having 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter each. So total for 32-hour summation hydrograph, the runoff depth will be 4 centimeter. Therefore, to convert that to 32-hour unit hydrograph, divide each of these ordinates by 4 and you will be obtaining these values. That is 308 by 4 is equal to 77, 77.5 by 4 is equal to 19.375, and similarly the data given in the last column is our final answer. Now these are the curves. First, here what given is this 8-hour unit hydrograph is given. This is the first curve that is given. Now this is this yellow line is the second curve, that is the 8-hour lagged curve. Now this orange line is the third curve, that is a 16-hour lagged curve, and this blue line is the fourth curve, that is a 24-hour lagged curve. Now we have to sum up these three curves to obtain this green curve, that is the 32-hour summation curve, and divide it by 4 cm to obtain this red curve, that is our 32-hour unit hydrograph. And in this also the summation is attained by simply, for example, draw a vertical line at any point on the x-axis, let us say on 40, and see in which all points gets intersected by the vertical line on the curve. So these 4 curves will intersect this vertical line at 4 points. So sum up the coordinates of these 4 points, that is x, that will give you the coordinate of the summation rate of the hydrograph, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, that is x coordinate, and comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4, where x1, x2, x3, etc. are the x coordinates of these points respectively, and y1, y2, y3, etc. are the y coordinates of these points. So the coordinate of this point will be obtained by summing up the coordinates of the 4 curves that we have superimposed at that point, and that will give you the coordinate of the flood hydrograph, and flood hydrograph divided by 4 will give you the coordinate of this final curve, that is our 32-hour unit hydrograph. Thank you.